Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Motorola Moto E32s. To do this, we'll need to open Google Play Store. Inside, try to find Firefox. Select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open the browser. Right here we can customize it, so pick a different theme. Also switch the toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization. There's also options in privacy protection, and here you can read privacy notice. Finally, let's click on start browsing, and here you can open any website. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.